Welcome to the Tell Me More Now channel. 15 tips on how to study for exams. In this video we provide tips and advice on how to prepare for your exams with academic success in mind. Exams can be stressful, but with these tips, you'll be well prepared to ace your tests. Let's look at 15 tips on how to study for exams. 1. Start studying well in advance. Don't wait until the last minute to start studying. Give yourself enough time to review all the material before the exam. 2. Create a study schedule. Make a schedule that outlines what topics you need to study and when you plan to study them. This will help you stay on track and make sure you cover all the material. 3. Identify your learning style. Everyone has a different learning style, so figure out what works best for you. Are you a visual learner? Do you learn best by listening? Once you know your learning style, you can tailor your study approach to fit it. 4. Use active learning techniques. Active learning techniques, such as practice questions, flashcards, and summarizing material, can help you retain information better than passive techniques like rereading or highlighting. 5. Focus on the most important information. Prioritize the material that will have the biggest impact on your exam grade. 5. Focus your study efforts on the most important information. 6. Take breaks. Don't try to study for hours on end without taking a break. Take regular breaks to help you stay focused and retain information. 7. Get enough sleep. Your brain needs rest to function at its best. Make sure you're getting enough sleep in the days leading up to the exam. 8. Stay organized. Keep your notes, study materials, and schedule organized. This will help you stay on track and avoid wasting time searching for what you need. 9. Review your notes regularly. Don't wait until the night before the exam to review your notes. Make it a habit to review your notes on a regular basis, so the material stays fresh in your mind. 10. Practice time management. Practice answering questions under time constraints. This will help you get used to the pressure of taking an exam and help you manage your time more effectively during the actual test. 11. Taking practice tests helps you become familiar with the structure and format of the exam. This includes understanding how the questions are worded, the types of questions that are asked, and the time constraints that you will face. 12. Avoid distractions. Find a quiet place to study where you won't be distracted by your phone, social media, or other distractions. 13. Eat well. Make sure you're fueling your body with healthy foods to help you stay alert and focused while studying. 14. Use past exams. If you have access to past exams, use them to practice and get a sense of what kinds of questions might be on the test. 15. Stay positive. Don't let stress and anxiety get the best of you. Stay positive and confident in your abilities, and focus on doing your best on the exam. We hope that these tips will help you in your exam preparation. By following these tips, you can reduce your exam anxiety and achieve your academic goals. Good luck on your exams. Subscribe to be notified on new videos on self-help, health and wellness.